Marketing audit reports help you immediately assess prospects and point out weaknesses you can easily fix. However, manually generating reports for new leads slows down your operations. Let's go through how to set up this new action and automate the process. Create or edit a workflow and add the contact created trigger. Click the plus sign icon to add an action and select Generate Marketing Audit Report from the Marketing Actions. Enter the business name and fill out other important fields. You can use custom values to do so. Once created, audit reports can be viewed in your prospecting dashboard. This allows you to automatically evaluate business health before outreach, making it easy to connect with leads no matter their source, and increasing the flexibility of your marketing audit reports. The moment a contact enters your system, a comprehensive marketing audit report delivers actionable insights into their overall digital presence, helping you point out the specific areas you'll help with. We hope you enjoy it.